Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure your Infinix is updated to the latest Android/XOS build, because firmware fixes often address sound bugs. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth and wired headsets and disable any audio output apps. Ghost outputs can force volume down. Next, check physical volume buttons for debris and confirm Do Not Disturb is off. These early steps remove common causes quickly, so you can move to deeper fixes with confidence and focus. Now you dig into settings and transient data to isolate software causes. Go to Sound Settings and disable Adaptive or Smart Volume and any equalizer or audio enhancement features. These can auto-reduce loudness to protect ears. Then clear cache and data for media storage, system UI, and the music or streaming app showing the issue, because corrupted cache can misreport volume. If it persists, reboot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app is lowering volume. Safe mode temporarily disables add-on apps for testing. For stubborn cases, you finish with decisive resets and hardware checks. Backup data, then reset app preferences and network settings. These keep content but clear misbehaving defaults. If that fails, perform a factory reset as a last software step because it removes deep settings corruption. Should the problem remain, consider reflashing official firmware or visiting a service center. Intermittent hardware faults like a failing audio amp or damaged speaker can mimic auto volume issues. One troubleshooting tip: test with headphones and speaker separately to detect hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.